CLM has recently been updated with a new account structure that will help with the setup of companies with multiple locations, ensuring a more user-friendly identification of accounts that salespeople need to work with. Here's the new structure using Valet as the example. Up top is the grandparent level. This location represents the headquarters of a company where high-level business discussions take place and where the company's top management is usually located. Not all accounts will have a grandparent level. Most will actually be starting at the parent level, but bigger companies and companies that are international will likely have this grandparent level. Just below, we have the parent level. This would be the regional headquarters and would be where actual business needs are discussed. This is also where quotes, orders, deliveries, and invoices might be sent to. Next, we have the children level. Accounts under this level connect with corresponding accounts in the parent level. These locations can also be used for transactions like quotes, orders, deliveries, and invoices. Underneath, we have the site addresses. These ship-to addresses exist under the corresponding site in the children level. There can be multiple locations, for example, several mines related to the same site. In the case of the ship-to addresses that were previously loaded in CLM as ship-to accounts, the ship-to account number becomes the identifier for that ship-to address, so that it's easier to identify by the user. The ship-to account will still remain in BPIX. It is just in CLM that the structure has been simplified. Some of these ship-to addresses can have temporary validity, considering the duration of the mining construction activity developed there. Let's see how this will look in CLM. Okay, so let's open up our dashboard. And let's navigate to the grandparent level of Valet. As you can see, this says Valet Canada Limited Corporate Office. This is the grandparent level and the account type HQ. This is the very top level. On the left-hand side, you can see related parent accounts and related children accounts. Let's go into the related parent account. On this first column, we're able to see the account relationship. Here it says, this account is an HQ of these 4 Bill 2 accounts. If we move into the related children account, again, we will see the list of those 4 Bill 2s. With a different set, the Bill 2 type of account stands as a hyperlink, and this will open that specific account. Let's click on the top one from the list. As you can see, we are now in Valet Canada Limited Ontario operations. This is at the parent level. If we go into related parent accounts, just like before, we were able to see the relationship with the children accounts below it. This account is a Bill 2 of these accounts here. If we want to go lower and navigate to the children level, we will be able to go to this tab here and click the hyperlink just as we did earlier. Now we're in the children level, the very bottom level. So using this hierarchy, we're able to navigate downwards from the grandparent down to the children. We are not able to navigate back up again. We will see that this is the very last level when we go into the related parents and related children tabs and no relationships are displayed. What we will notice is the addresses tab, where we will have a list of delivery addresses or ship-to addresses. These addresses were previously shipped to accounts that are now connected to the corresponding site accounts in the children level. We can use these addresses and connect them to activities, opportunities, and contacts. Let's go into activities and show an example. If we go into addresses, we are able to see a list of addresses related to this account. But if we click this New button, we're able to modify what is being displayed and select an address that is specific to this particular activity. We can select one address or multiple, and the same can be done with contacts and opportunities. When complete, click Save.